Implementing technical controls. Now that we've identified the areas that need improvement, it's time to implement technical controls to make our systems safer. Technical controls are measures that we put in place to protect our systems from cyber threats. These controls include setting up firewalls to block unauthorized access, configuring devices to restrict access to sensitive data, controlling user access to limit who can see and modify data, and protecting against malware with antivirus software and intrusion detection systems, and keeping our systems up to date with the latest security patches and updates. By implementing these technical controls, we can significantly reduce the risk of cyber threats and keep our online space much safer. But it's important to remember that technical controls are only one piece of the puzzle. We also need to train our employees and establish policies and procedures to ensure everyone in our company is aware of the risks and knows how to prevent them. Join us next time where we'll discuss how to develop policies and procedures.